Maurizio Porta presents Machining Centers. Too much flexibility kills your productivity. Here's how I reached this conclusion after 25 years of experience in the sector. Let's take one step back to understand how we've reached this point so far. Rapidly summing up the previous industrial revolutions, we've gone from the fields to the first companies with machines driven by mechanical energy. And then we moved on to utilizing new energies, such as oil and electricity. And lastly, to mass production. The next leap, the fourth industrial revolution, was industrial automation. The first machines controlled by computers and robots that quickly replaced people on assembly lines appeared in manufacturing companies. Today, we're still in the fourth industrial revolution, developing new ways to improve automation and information utilization. The industrial developments, or progress, has always sought and found new ways to produce increasingly faster, that is, in search of extreme productivity. Then, in a second moment, the weaknesses of this method were noted, together with its failure. The new lean production techniques have taken hold, the biggest being lean manufacturing, designed by Toyota, which has launched a new business model based on flexibility and making only what you sell. The magic word was precisely flexibility. This word that's appreciated and looks so harmless and promising is starting to endanger current business models in a more serious manner. Nowadays, if you visit a fair dedicated to machine tools, you'll see an invasion of identical machines in different shapes and colours, but basically all the same. That's how these machining centres are the ultimate expression of flexibility, and will be the absolute evil for the future if we continue solely on this path. With this idea in mind, I've designed the flexible production method. That's a balance between flexibility and productivity. Two fundamental ingredients to balance both areas and prevent overemphasizing one or the other, which would inevitably lead to problems. In the world of mechanical machining, poor productivity of common machining centers is normally apparently resolved in the most instinctive way possible, by installing more machine centers in the department. But this unfortunately turns into a loss of competitiveness and sets you on par with all your competitors. By applying the flexible production method, you can reduce space, reduce energy, reduce personnel by half, to start earning as much as you once did and more than your competitors. This is why the book Machining Centers: Too Much Flexibility Kills Your Productivity was written. A book dedicated to users of multiple machining centers to give a fresh drive and a method so as not to die from too much flexibility. This is my personal promise. I can guide you step by step to understand how the method can help you earn as much as you once did. Start earning once again. Reduce space, reduce energy, reduce personnel by half by applying the flexible production method.